Hello guys, welcome to MR.LEARNING. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix product activation failure in Microsoft Office, Word, Excel, Office 365 in your Microsoft Office. Okay, it is simply process. Before you are begin, please like this video and scroll down this video and subscribe button. One touch click here to subscribe and support this channel. Okay, let's start solution. First solution, restart. So go to the start menu, then click to power button, then select the restart button, click here to restart the system, then go to the next solution, then command promote. So go to that command promote with run as administrator, click here, then yes, click on it, then go to the file exporter, then click to local disk C, then select the program files, then again select the program Microsoft Office, double tap to open it, then click to Office 60, then this file location copy, then go to the command promote, open it, then type that cd / enter, then paste cd space, then file location, enter. Okay, after that go to that this command promote, copy, then go to the paste. Okay, then go to the next. After that exit, again open the command promote with run as administrator, just click on it to go to the insert, then this command promote, copy, then paste. Now this process will take some time, so verification 100% completed, then only then exit the command promote. I will skip it. So then go to the next method, then verify office file. So same file exporter, open it, then come to this file location, then selected that this exe application, then right click, then with run as administrator, click here, yes, click on it, confirmation, one more time. After that close it, then go to the start menu, again power button, click here, then select the restart button, click here to restart your system, then your problem fixing now. Thanks for watching and like and comment this video. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Do you need any video? Please ask me.